Today we're pulling apart a very small guitar pedal. This is a Rowin Frenzy Fuzz. I saw some demos of it online, and it's kind of like it's like a big muff, but seemed more aggressive, sputtery, and gated. So I saw someone mention it on Reddit, and I'm like, oh, that pedal looks fun. And then I looked it up, and AliExpress sold me one for $25 Australian, including shipping, which is crazy. So that is a regular business card. That's how small this thing is. It's a business card from the shop that I buy my RuneQuest, Pendragon, and other role-playing games from. Shout out to Milsims. But yeah, so that was my tablet going off there for some kind of alarm. So we can take the back off, and there's that little, there's a little bit of paper. It's paper. It's not even like that phenolic wafer stuff. But all right, so I've got to unscrew the foot switch and the toggle switch, and let's see if we can get at the very, very small circuitry. Well, I don't know what construction I expected, but I wasn't expecting this construction. There's this whole area, which is where the jacks sockets go. So you've got them there. Of course, they're wired off board with a little header. Let's see if that comes off. Right. Well, that little the header with that just popped off. You know, sometimes you can't get them off. And yeah, all the parts are hidden. The parts are all hidden under there. So let me try and get a torch. Very, very small surface mount components, and I am not going to be able to document any of this unless I pull it apart. So this is the back side of the circuit board, and what we've got is, hang on, let me get this here. So we've got the headers that rise up. We've got that and that and that and that. They're the headers that raise the main circuit board up off the bottom circuit board, obviously connecting the foot switch and everything. It's a double pole, double throw foot switch, so that's not going to be fully true bypass. It'll be something like that, but we've got the I don't think that's a real concern. I like that meme about true bypass guitar pedals of, you know, like not all of Jimi Hendrix's guitar pedals he played at Woodstock were true bypass, but the audience chose to look past it and try to have a good time. I really think that if I were to get at that, it's just going to be a two or three transistor fuzz. I don't think it's a big muff type. Despite how cheap this was, I don't want to pull it apart and destroy it. Kind of interesting. You've got all these electro caps around the circuit, so it's kind of buried in there like it's like Stonehenge. I don't think I'm going to be able to tell you anything more about it without destroying it. I don't want to destroy it. I'm not buying one for $30 to another $25 to destroy one. Yeah, I think I'll have to edit this video and make it shorter.